Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. So now we have some security tips that you just need to listen and you can follow them. So the first thing is that you need to use a strong password. So you need to use a combination of lowercase, uppercase, symbols, numbers. So use a strong password that is at least like 16 to 20 characters. So that's the first tip. And the next thing is that you need to make sure that your plugins and themes are up to date. So for that you can go to my channel, and here I have created a video on how to update WordPress plugins and themes safely. So you can watch this video and make sure everything is up to date. Now let's go back. So the next thing is that you need to uninstall the unused plugins and themes from your website. So this will decrease the risk of being hacked. Whenever any client come to me, when I review their website, they are using one theme and there are like tens of them in their theme section that they have installed but not using them. So there is no need to have more than one or two themes. So just delete all of the unusual themes and plugins from your website. So the last and the most important thing is that you need to install original plugins in your website, and do not download any cracked plugin or any nulled plugin or any pirated or GPL plugin. Just download from the original official WordPress repository or using any other third-party websites like ThemeForest or Inventor. So just use these type of websites that are reputable and providing real plugins, and make sure your plugins and themes that are free or paid, whatever, so just make sure they are up to date. And all of the resources like the solid security, WordFence, web hostings, everything is provided in the description of the video. So just make sure to check out them and see which one suits you better. I have only tell you the free options that were available on the internet, but there are also some premium versions that have more features, so you can check out them and see if they can help you even more. So you can try out them. So that's it for this video, and let me know if you have any question or if you need any service related to WordPress security. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more videos like this. If you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. I will provide the link for that in the description as well. That helps me create free videos for you. So that's it. See you next time.